Question. P.S. If 1 is smaller than x, which is smaller or equal to 11, 2 is smaller than y, which is smaller or equal to 15, and x and y are integers, what is the greatest possible value of 1 over x minus 1 over y? Solution. Maximum and minimum of range. Range is equal to the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. The values of x plus y, x minus y, x times y, and x over y are between the minimum and maximum values. We are required to find the maximum possible value of 1 over x minus 1 over y. If 1 is smaller than x, which is smaller or equal to 11, 2 is smaller than y, which is smaller or equal to 15, and x and y are integers. Let us find the range of both 1 over x and 1 over y. This is an approximately 45-level question, so remember the solving process. The range of values of 1 over x. The sign of inequality in the range will change when we convert x to 1 over x. So, 1 is smaller than x, which is smaller than 11, or 2 is smaller or equal to x, which is smaller or equal to 11. Because x is an integer, will become 1 over 2 is greater or equal to 1 over x, which is greater or equal to 1 over 11. Or 1 over 11 is smaller or equal to 1 over x, which is smaller or equal to 1 over 2. The range of values of 1 over y. The sign of inequality in the range will change when we convert y to 1 over y. So, 2 is smaller than y, which is smaller or equal to 15, or 3 is smaller or equal to y, which is smaller or equal to 15. Because y is an integer, will become 1 over 3 is greater or equal to 1 over y, which is greater or equal to 1 over 15. Or 1 over 15 is smaller or equal to 1 over y, which is smaller or equal to 1 over 3. The different values of 1 over x minus 1 over y are 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, which equals 3 minus 2 whole over 6, which equals 1 over 6. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 15 equals 15 minus 2 whole over 30, which equals 13 over 30. 1 over 11 minus 1 over 3 equals 3 minus 11 whole over 33, which equals negative 8 over 33. 1 over 11 minus 1 over 15 equals 15 minus 11 whole over 165, which equals 4 over 165. So the greatest possible value of 1 over x minus 1 over y equals 13 over 30. Alternative solution. 1 over x minus 1 over y will have a maximum possible value when 1 over x is maximum and 1 over y is minimum. Thus, the greatest possible value of 1 over x minus 1 over y will be the maximum of 1 over x minus the minimum of 1 over y equals 1 over 2 minus 1 over 15 equals 15 minus 2 whole over 30, which equals 13 over 30. And E is the correct answer. Answer E.